Hello, my name is Manzoor Sain. I hope you are doing well and working hard to get best grade. So today our topic of lecture is quadratic equation and completing square method. Okay, quadratic equations and completing square method. Completing square method. Okay. Uh, any equation having power of variable like x2 is called quadratic equation. Like 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. You can see the higher power in this equation is 2. So it is called quadratic equation. If the power is not 2, like power would be 1, highest power, or power would be greater than 3, then it would not be quadratic equation. I hope it's clear. Now I will come to the completing square method. Remember that uh, we can solve the quadratic equations by using completing square method. There are two other methods as well, but in this lecture I will be doing completing square method. First I will write the question. uh, I will write the question, which is x squared plus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. We have to solve this. While doing completing square method, always remember the coefficient or the number in front of x squared should be 1. In this particular case, the number is 1. So no worries, okay? If it is not, we have to make the number 1. After that, we have to convert this quadratic equation into square form. How we can do this? Let's see. Write x, then put the sign of middle term, which is plus, and half the number which is in front of x. So half would be 2 and place the square. After that, you have to write minus and square the half one, which is 2 squared plus 2. We will write as it is. Okay. So x plus 2 to the power 2 minus 4 plus 2 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 to the power 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. X plus 2 to the power 2 is equals to 2. To remove this power, I will put square root on both sides and I will get x plus 2 is equals to plus minus root 2. X would be minus 2 plus minus root 2. What I did, I put minus 2 on both sides to remove plus 2, okay? And I left with this one. So you can see there are two signs in between these two numbers, plus minus. It means there would be two answers. The first one would be the first answer is x is equals to minus 2 plus root 2. And the second answer is x is equals to minus 2 minus root 2. So this is how we can solve the completing square, solve the quadratic equations using completing square methods. I hope it's clear. So I will give a recap. While doing a quadratic equations using completing square method, you have to first make the coefficient of x square 1. After that, you have to convert the quadratic equation into square form. How we do this? We will write the variable and put the sign of middle term and have the number in front of x, then put square and minus the number which we have square of the number plus 2 is equals to 0, and rest is the simple steps. I hope it's clear. So we will meet in next lecture. Till that, bye bye.